What up, guys? Iconic BJ today, back with another video. Today's video is going to be vlogging with your GoPro. So I'm actually show you guys how to vlog, how I vlog with my GoPro. So that's what you guys are gonna see. I'm waiting on Tiff to get here. We gotta go do laundry today. It is laundry day. All our clothes are dirty. We don't have our washer and dryer yet at the new house. So therefore, gotta go to mom's. So we're gonna go to her mom's and do some laundry, hang out with them. I think we're gonna go to the mall and get some Chinese. So, guys, come along, enjoying the fun. It's laundry day. I got a big ass hole in my shirt. Like, I don't know how the fuck I did that. Anyways, come along, guys. Should be fun. Tiff's home. Alright, so headed to Mom Duke's house. See our fucking 8,000 gallon tons of laundry back there. Because we still ain't got a washer and dryer at the new house yet. We're slacking, guys. Tiff and her little Christmas jingles.
It was snowing this morning.
We look like bums, so excuse us. It's laundry day, guys. Getting chime, guys. You excited?
I'm very excited.
She's pumped. We ain't had this in forever. Forever.
Or cat, whatever it is.
It's not cat.
You don't know?
Yeah, you're right.
So this girl right here, with all this long, beautiful hair. That's someone who wants me to do this.
Jay Jordan. We have secured the bag, guys. We got her. About to harness Chinese in the car. Tear it all the way up. No jokes, no games, no none of that. Finally made it to Mom's house. About to do this laundry. Tiffany been bitching the whole ride. I've been bitching her because she's on her phone while she's trying to drive. Almost killed us 3 times. Almost hit a wall, almost hit a semi. She can't drive, y'all.
You begged and begged and begged to go get this fucking drink, so you better take it in.
See?
What?
Yeah, she almost killed us like 5 times, y'all. Yeah, she did too. She's on her phone trying to show me a picture of her car. Almost sideswiped 5 semis.
No, only the wall.
Only the wall. There you go. There you go. Ooh, get it, girl. I got you. Want me to help you? Okay.
I'm independent.
Are you? That ass is. I look like a real piece of shit right now letting you carry that. Hold on. I got you.
Get it. Back might break. You get it.
Break your back. Whoops. What up, moms?
Hello.
No,
You smell good.
Thank you.
You got that bag of water in my car too.
you got clean laundry.
Yeah. Yeah, fold it and everything.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I like that. It's laundry service Jerry's running.
Bring it straight here. Why do you stop?
I gotta
You know
unload.
you gotta break that down. 'Cause that's a lot. What do you got? Camera?
Yeah, it's a GoPro. That's Pops, guys. That's our laundry doer right there.
Yeah, right.
Jerry the laundry doer. Just playing. We love Pops. He be shining on us. Letting us use his nice. Look how nice that washer and dryer is. Woo! I'm dead serious.
All day, every day.
Welcome to my life, Jerry. Tiffany's waving her feet around, and her feet stink so bad. Phew! Stop
I'm a
wafting
hard-working woman.
Quit.
Girl, stop wafting those around.
I'm a hard-working woman.
Smells like wet garbage and hot dog water.
Shut up before I put it in your mouth.
Yeah, alright. Little dirty foot. Oh. First off, look, I don't suck no toes.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
I'm going to throw it out since mom tried to throw jokes. I ain't had her sucking no toes. She just happened to say that with the camera on, you know what I'm saying?
No, hey, he's sucking toes over here.
I learned it from you.
Jerry would
He
take,
said, yep, look.
Jerry would take his teeth out and suck off.
Oh. Oh my God. Y'all are nasty. I ain't coming over here no more. Between her feet and y'all's little toe jokes. Because ain't nobody sucking on them.
They are raunchy.
I bet you can smell it through
I
this
think
camera.
something died in my boots.
Laundry almost done, guys. Halfway through it. I need some beer. Haha. The last store I went to didn't have any beer. This store's got beer, so I'm getting me some beer. If you guys want to learn how to vlog with your GoPro, definitely watch this video and watch my video that I'm going to put on the end of this video, so you guys can click that and check that out too as well.